Greetings, motorcycle enthusiasts, and welcome back to another summer of riding. Short as it may be, as it has been truncated by you-know-what. But this thing's been sitting here waiting for me all winter. I've had the battery stored away and on the maintainer, so I gotta just put that back in. And then it's head off to the garage for an inspection. And then we can take a few trips around here before the snow starts flying again and we flee to Florida. All set. So in case it wasn't obvious in the titling work, what I've got here is a 2008 Yamaha FZ6. It's a 4-cylinder, 600cc engine. It's based on the old R6 engine, but they put a different cam in it, so it's got a little more low-end torque. And it's got relaxed handlebars, so you can tool around town and not have to lean over and wreck your back when you're going 20 miles an hour. It was kind of a real jewel, I think, in the Yamaha lineup, and they've since discontinued it. Well, 12 years, it's no wonder. Time moves on. But it had the this beautiful aluminum frame. The engine is a stressed member, which is kind of classy. It's got the full injection, water-cooled, you know, the whole 9 yards, and it was relative bargain as far as that goes. And it's essentially just a hair off being an R6 sport bike. Got a 14,000 RPM redline. I think the R6 redlined at like 17 or something. I'm not sure, at least for that era. But it's super smooth. Everything is just precise. Nothing has ever gone wrong with it in 12 years, although I've racked up a whopping 5,400 miles. Not much, but, you know, summer is short up here. Okay, now here comes the fun part. It's been off for 9 months, and we get to see if it actually turns on or not. Always a great mystery, but with modern, you know, electronic ignitions and fuel injection, there's hardly any mystery at all. So let's see what happens. All right, we got power in the juice. Gee, not much gas in there. All right, let's give the starter button a poke and see what happens. Like it never got turned off. All right, let's take it for a little test spin here. is why we live here.